Summertime and the breeze. Fish are jumping and the cotton is high. Your daddy's a rich man and your mama's good looking.
Come on, please, someone.
Oh, I wish
someone turn around, please.
So hush, little baby, don't you cry. One of these mornings, you're gonna rise up singing.
Come on, Jessie, go on, Jessie, don't just sing along.
Spread your wings and head for the sky. Until that morning.
Come on, Jessie, you
You know nothing's gonna harm you. With your mommy and your daddy. Stay.
Oh, please, someone, please.
It's really good.
Hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
Adam.
Adam.
Ooh. Hello, Jessie J.
Hello.
Will.i.am, Tom.
What's up, Adam?
I was getting a little bit worried there. It was right at the end.
I turned around because I hear so much potential. Your higher range,
Oh my God.
like, was ridiculous.
Thanks.
Oh, I'm so happy.
I pressed my button on 0.
She pressed her button.
Literally at zero.
I did. I was like,
At zero.
I'm gonna hold out to right at the last second, and you brought it halfway through.
The reason why I didn't turn around is because my gut tells me something special is going to come in the next couple of singers. I mean that in no disrespect.
Well, there he is, right there.
Yeah.
Hey, that's the Tom Jones saying that, man.
My gut tells me that there's something coming. I could be wrong.
Jessie J pressed the button, so...
Yeah, whatever. And I mean that in no disrespect, Adam.
I'm just sitting here, I'm really jealous. Adam, I should have had him. I should have. Can you humour me and say you would have picked me if I had to turn around? As a male vocalist, that's really, really hard to do. As high as you were and as confident as you were. I mean, I was going note for note. You'd see me back there, I was like, nah! As you did it, and then you went up a note higher, and I was like, I'm just gonna stop there. I'm just gonna stop. That was essentially like,
That's when I was joining in. I was like, wow.
yeah.
You were the great coach right there.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, you're absolutely a fabulous coach.
We're ready. We are ready.
I have my team. I'm really, really happy with Team Jessie, and I can't wait to see what all of you bring on battles. Bam!
So who have you got here with you today?
I've got my mum, I've got my brother, I've got my fiancée Stacey.
How are you feeling?
I'm just more nervous than he will ever be. Absolutely.
I'm spending most of my time saying, calm down, it'll be okay.
Amazing.
Music defines my life, defines who I am, defines what I do. The next 90 seconds will decide if I keep singing as a hobby or if it's a career.